The government has assured that no race will face harassment despite the ongoing political climate in the country. This was the palace's response to China's recently issued travel advisory, which urged its citizens to exercise caution when traveling to the Philippines. The palace stressed that the country does not target any particular nationality for harassment and reaffirmed that all visitors are welcome except for individuals with criminal records.
Malamang po nasasabi po nila ito dahil sa ating pagpapatupad dito sa Pogo na dapat ay mawala na sa atin at karamihan po dito ay mga Chinese nationals. So malamang po ay isa ito sa nagiging issue po. Pero muli, ang DFA po ay open po for discussion regarding this at i-assure natin muli ang China na wala po tayong tinatarget na particular national.